What's the meaning of Adolph Zukor? Adolph Zukor. Adolph Zukor. Adolph Zukor. Adolph Zukor. Adolph Zukor. Adolph Zukor was a Hungarian-American film producer and founder of Paramount Pictures. He is credited with revolutionizing the film industry by developing the concept of feature-length films instead of just shorts. Zukor's leadership and business acumen helped to establish Hollywood as the center of the film industry in the early 20th century. As a result of his contributions, he was honored with a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame and inducted into the Television Hall of Fame. His legacy continues to influence the movie industry today.